welcome back to Social with Shawna, where I share with you guys everything I've learned about growing and making money on social media. Today, we're going to be talking about Google Adsense and what it is and everything that goes along with it. Now, if you do not know who I am, my name is Shawna. I have a cooking and cleaning channel for busy moms titled ShawnaRae that I've been growing over the last year and have been making money off of. I also have an Instagram account at ShawnaRaeVideos that I have been growing as well for the last year, and I have started making profitable as well. Now, let's talk about Google AdSense, what it is, why you need to pay attention to it, all the ins and outs. So once you're monetized, you know exactly how things will work. So what exactly is Google AdSense? Google AdSense is a cost per click advertising program that is run by Google. So what that means is when customers click on an ad on the front of one of your videos or even watch through the entire ad, you get paid a little teeny tiny percentage for that ad that was run on one of your YouTube videos or seen on one of your blogs or clicked on from one of your blogs if you are a blogger. Google AdSense is basically the payment method that you will have once you are monetized on YouTube. All of your ads kind of go through Google AdSense, and Google AdSense is actually who pays you and who keeps track of your money when you are monetized on YouTube. So all the ads that you see on YouTube videos or on blogs are all administered by Google. They're all managed and administered and basically run by Google. So Google AdSense is the company or the program that does that. One important thing to know about ads on your videos is that the payment that you get from somebody watching one of the ads can be different for a lot of different reasons. It can be different depending on the country that they're from. It can be different depending on what type of content you create and what type of ads are being played. It can be different for a whole lot of reasons. To find the amount you are getting paid for your ads, you can look at your CPM on each individual video, which you can find in YouTube Studios. Now, once you get monetized on YouTube and you have started making money, one of the things you have to have set up is your Google AdSense account. You will need to set this up with Google so that you are able to get ads put onto your videos and you are able to get paid. Once you have that set up, at some point, Google AdSense will send you a letter. This letter will have a PIN number in it that you will need to confirm in Google AdSense before you are able to ever receive any money. Now, once you are monetized on YouTube, before Google AdSense will ever pay you, you need to reach a $100 minimum threshold. Once you reach that $100 minimum threshold, Google AdSense will pay you as long as you've already confirmed your PIN through them. They will mail this to whatever mailing address you put on your account, so make sure your mailing address is correct. Anytime in the future, you also have to reach that $100 threshold before they will pay you. So basically, Google AdSense will not pay out a check unless it is at least $100. Now, contrary to popular belief, YouTube doesn't actually, or Google AdSense doesn't actually send you a paper check. Most of it is all done through direct deposit, just like any company nowadays. You will be able to set up all of your direct deposit information in Google AdSense once you are approved. Now, some things that I've had a lot of confusion about and a lot of questions from other small creators like myself is, when does Google AdSense do everything? What happens? When does it work? Let's talk about a little bit about that. Google AdSense only updates the numbers in Google AdSense once a month. So, say in the month of December, you earned $50 and you're wondering when that number is going to show up and show you that you earned $50 in Google AdSense. It'll show up around the 15th of January. So it only updates once a month for the month prior. So December's numbers, whatever money you earned in December off of YouTube, will update into Google AdSense around the 15th of the month in January. Sometimes it's as early as the 13th. I've seen it as late as like the 16th, 17th, but it's usually somewhere right around the 15th of the month, where those numbers will actually update in Google AdSense and you will see a dollar amount that you have earned for the previous month. Now, if say in November you had earned $40, say in November you had earned $60, then in December you earned $50, those numbers will add together in Google AdSense and all of a sudden you will see that you are now eligible for a payment. So when will you receive that payment? Google AdSense pays out around the 21st to the 26th of the month every month. Again, it is only once a month. So once those numbers update around the 15th of the month, you will then receive your direct deposit somewhere between the 21st to the 26th. My last one came on the 23rd. That amount will get direct deposited into your account. You will receive an email from Google AdSense telling them that they have direct deposited it and that it could take up to 3 to 5 business days. My experience, I received it on the same day that I got the email, just a few hours later. Now let's take a different example. Say instead of of making $60 in November, you had actually only made $40. And then you still made $50 in December. And so in January, when the numbers updated, you had only made $90 off of your YouTube account. That means you will have to wait an entire another month before you are able to get a check, and you will not be able to get paid until the end of February. Even though it's only $10 more that you need to earn, you do have to wait an entire month until Google AdSense does their payments again, which is a bummer, but it's the way it works. If you have any more questions about Google AdSense and how Google AdSense works, let me know in the comments down below. I'm happy to answer them as best I can. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. If you have another content creator who may benefit from this information, make sure you share it, make sure you're subscribed, and have your bell notification turned on, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.